We've got just 35 days left to flip the switch and build a better future for our cities and towns. This is Tobin at the Virtual Storefronts campaign. Today I want to talk to you about some problems like funding for education, environmental responsibility, animal welfare, local and healthy foods, product diversity, made in the USA, sweatshop labor, economic opportunity, corporate power and control, quality of life, community safety, drug and alcohol abuse, the loneliness epidemic, a walkable life, sustainability, and racial equity. Many of us are passionate about one or more of these causes, and given our current state of politics, a lot of us are frustrated because we feel like we're not making progress. But back to baby steps. What are we doing that really changes the circumstances that cause these problems? A core problem that connects all of these issues is the draining of funds from our communities. One thing you can do today to take a baby step and help solve these problems is to go to the Virtual Storefronts campaign and contribute $25 to build a better future that keeps 64 cents of every dollar local. Remember, only you can like this post like a storefront stand, share it like a communist, and see first like you can actually control Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you Monday.